Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you about these exceptional, really heavy-duty metal hooks by Neosmuk. I'm so happy with this purchase, and I really want to tell you why. So I find these hooks so super powerful and sturdy. They're perfect for hanging items, so whether it's on the fridge, in the kitchen, for example, some cups, or even if it's just your oven mitts, or really anywhere that you need a storage solution that's magnetic. It's really just so versatile, so you could use it to hold a lot of different things, even different items within the kitchen, anywhere really where you have iron or steel. It's even the perfect magnetic key holder. So I just can't believe the different ways that I'm able to use these in the house. They're also a cruise essential. So this is actually the reason that I purchased these metal hooks is I used it on the metal wall of my cabin, and you're able to hold your hat, your bathing suit, your swimsuit cover up. It's definitely a must-have because it's just so versatile. So for all these reasons, that's why these metal hooks by Neosmuk are just an invaluable purchase for me, and I'm so happy with them, and that's my point of view.